look at this old man. We have two versions here, the right hand version and the left hand version. So starting with the right hand version, that means that right hand gets the melody. We're going to place our hand on D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, and A. Take a listen. Cross over. Left hand, old man. Let's do a close-up starting with the right hand old man first. I'll be playing it hands together, starting right hand and left hand on D major position. Let's go slow. Sharp. Sharp. Crosses over to B. Back here. Now the left hand has the melody. We're going to make left hand louder than right hand. Cross my second finger over to B. Tuck my thumb under.